Richard Mille RM3503 automatic winding watch with caliber RMAL 2 skeletonized automatic winding movement with hours, minutes, seconds, pattern, butterfly router, sport mode and function selector. Power zeros is around 55 hours. Router specifications are arm in grade 5 titanium, metal weight segment, ceramic ball bearings, and unidirectional anti-clockwise winding direction. Movement characteristics or movement dimension is 31.25 by 229.45 mm. Thickness is 5.92 mm. Number of jewels is 38. Barrel arbor in AP20 steel. Balanced glass door, 2 arms and 4 setting weights. Moment of inertia is 4.8 mg cm square. Angle of lift is 53 degree. Frequency 28,800 VPH, approximate 4 Hz. Balance spring L in wear. Shock protections in cable lock 908.22.211.100. Transparent. Movement base plate in set sandblasted grade 5 titanium grey electroplasma treated. Bridges in hand ground grade 5 titanium. Wet sandblasted and tetralite or PVD treated. Locking sections hand polished burnished pivots and pinions with undercuts. Steel parts are screwed slot and screw beveled and polished with round and polished tip. Straight line grain finish of the upper surface. Lower surfaces microblasted. Wheels circular grain, diamond cut angles and plated wheels beveled before cutting the tape. Minimal corrections applied to the wheels in order to preserve geometry and performance.